I believe that you started with Dr. Abu Kauta, and he told me that he giving you the first view and the first knowledge related to the platform we're going to utilize. We go step by step together. No worries. Before I start, just to let you welcome me and you present yourself. Do you have any questions? Do you have any requests regarding what you saw with Mr. Dr. Abu Kauta last class? No questions. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So to start, our web application here practice is mainly behind learning all the technologies related to developing web applications. The context we are going to go after is learning the PHP as a tool, and we are going to master this tool mainly. So in this regard, we are going to see the first elements, the very basics ones, and we are going to go gradually, step by step. I believe that you installed the easy PHP last class. You activated the account and you knew how to utilize it, isn't it? Is this right? ثبتوا easy PHP last class. Did you do that? Aisha, are you with me? Yes. So the PHP, you have it installed or not? Who did not install the easy PHP last class? Can I know? Are you able to see my screen? So I started sharing my screen with you, and I believe that you are able to see the screen. So is an not started anything. Who said that? Jahina. Last class you installed you did not install the easy PHP. You did not do anything with the avocado last class. No worries, no worries. If you did not do anything, we start step by step. So actually, I believe that you see my screen. Are you able to see the screen I shared with you? Is it visible to you? Shall I mark you all absent? It's a good option, I think. Riham, shall I mark you absent? It's good. I think it's good to start with the first class as absent. Suad, Furaya. So when I ask a question, you answer.
Are here.
Furaya, Maryam,
Here.
Maryam,
Here.
Jahina,
Here.
Jahina.
Here.
Yes, that's good. So I believe that you see actually there are so many ways via which we can compile the easy PHP. We can compile the PHP. Sorry, the easy PHP. What Dr. Abu Khat started with you as class is one of the ways. I'm gonna share with you this link here. I'm gonna share with you this link now. It is dirabay.com. Dirabay.com. It's my own domain. I prepared uh, one path for you to test and to execute this PHP. So please open this URL. I'm gonna send it to you now here. Open this URL. Open all of you. Open this URL. And once you reach the same interface like this one, tell me. Once you are ready, tell me to start developing and to start the first PHP program. لما تفتح النافذة tell me please please. Why who left? Riham. Another one has left also. There is number 7. فتحتوا النافذة. Did you start this the interface؟ وصلتوا النافذة مثل هذه؟
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Yes, that's good. مالويش الرابط. Speak English ثريا. As I said, and I was speaking and I was explaining that to execute any PHP script and to see any, to visualize any, just anything actually, you write it in PHP or to develop any web application, you need a compiler, an interpreter. When you type the code, who is going to give you the result? There have to be a server to do so. There are so many servers. There are so many servers that help you in doing so. Mainly, they are all built based on a server name named Apache, all because we are using the PHP. And this is what you are learning in theory also. So since we are utilizing any Apache PHP, I'm giving you this link. It's my own domain. It's mine. It's to me, to Murad. So everything is you do it there. I can see it, and we are going to utilize to create all PHP files we do, and we test all the PHP files we create, and so it would be our platform to work on for this lab. So let's go step by step and you'll understand malwish this رابط ثريا والبقية الكل. It is just because you have to understand that when we write a code to execute, to create our application, there have to be result. No, the result, how to visualize the result, how to see the result. You wrote the code, hey, okay, ومن بعد لأنه لابد من محلل أو مناقش interpreter أو compiler, interpreter mainly. So the link I sent to you is where we are going to test and interpret and see the results of the PHP. Is this clear? فتحت وصلتوا نافذة مثل هذه؟ Are you able, all of you, did you reach this?
Yes, Mister.
That's good.
Mister,
Yes, Jaheen.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, good.
cannot open the link.
هذه
أيوة.
حتى لو بموبايل يشتغل ترى يعني even if تفتحي في الموبايل يشتغل وفي شايفه الاس HTTPS secure
ممكن
معناها
ترسله مرة ثانية؟
اكيد.
ارسله.
Here it is. And as I told you, it is belonging to my server. It is my own server, so I'm controlling everything. Don't worry. Everything uh, is within this class only. فتحتي جهينة لما تفتحي خبريني.
Yes, yes.
That's a great. That's a great. That's a great. Good. Uh, to start the first program, to start the first PHP program, I'm gonna just swap the window. I'm gonna swap a window. I'm gonna stop this presentation, and I'm gonna show you another window, which is a notepad. So I need you to use the notepad like I do. You started seeing the notepad? Did you start seeing this window, this blank window, this صفحة بيضاء? Are you able to see what I'm typing?
Yes, Mister.
That's great. So be with me because I'm not seeing what you are typing. I'm able to see only this window. If you need anything, just speak, please. I'm typing is an HTML. It's simple HTML. It's a simple HTML group of tags or script. It is one body. Inside of it, I'm gonna give a title. I'm gonna give a title, which is I'm gonna say web application. Let's say lab guide. Lab. Let it be laboratory. Let it be full word. Laboratory. This is the title, and I'm gonna close the title. That's great. That's great. Good. Inside here, the body. See here, I'm gonna type welcome to our class. Web app class. Web application class. Do it, please. Open a notepad and write the same thing. Please do. And I'm gonna save this file. I'm gonna save this file in my documents or somewhere in my computer. I'm gonna save this file somewhere in my computer. Save as. I'm gonna say I'm gonna give it the name index.php. You see the name I'm typing? You see the name here? Are you able to see the name? Here it will
Yes.
appear. Yes, this is the name. It is the same. So I saved it with the name index.php. Don't make any errors, please. Or I tell you what, save it with your name. Save it with your name, whatever. You yourself, don't follow my name because we are going to use the same place. No, I'm sorry. Here, type your name. Your name.php. 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 Your name.php. Don't use spaces. I insist, type your name when you save. Your name when you save. I'm going to type murad.php, me myself. Murad.php. Here it is. Murad.php. You finished? Thoraya, you finished typing?
no, mister.
Okay, hurry up, hurry up.
Dictum.
Yes, tell me.
Click save or save as.
File save as, save as, save as. حتى save as to give you where to save. حتى يظهر لك وين تحفظيه.
Mister,
Yes.
can explain again?
Just open Notepad and type this HTML script. This is an HTML file. Type it. Type the same and save it. Save it file. Save as your name. Type your name dot php. سي انا كتبت حفظتها باسمي. انت تحفظيه باسمك dot php. Save in any place. لا تتأخروا. Don't be late please. Hurry up, hurry up.
Mister,
Yes.
يأثر إذا كان capital أو small.
Which one? هنا.
H.
No, 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 no. It is okay. Capital or small, it is okay. HTML, it's okay. PHP, no. But for now, it's okay. I activated the captions. So if you like to, if you are missing what I'm saying, you may activate the captions too, to see the text of what I'm speaking. So activate. It's good to activate the captions. Did you finish, please? Come on, Binad. You're taking too much time. ثريا.
Finish, Mr.
I told you to tell me. Good. We come back. Now after we finish this text, let's test it. So I'm gonna stop this share and I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna share with you. Where we test. You see this window now? This is the initial.
Yes, Mr.
That's good. See the browse button here. The browse button. I'm going to use this browse button here. You see this button here? I'm gonna click. And I'm gonna search where I saved that file. Where I saved it, I'm gonna search for it. The file that we created now, the HTML. Where I saved it. I'm gonna search for it. Here it is. خلاص ظهر الاسم. You see the name here? And I'm gonna do upload. After I do the upload, he will tell me has been uploaded. And from down, he shows me previous and test. I'm gonna make test. So I'm gonna click the test. ظهر لي welcome to our web application class. Do the same, please. Do the same. I'm gonna come back. Do the same. So you make the upload. You search the file, and then after you upload the file, your file, you test. Then you click the green button, test. Okay. I'll stop sharing, and I'll ask Balqis, share your screen with me, please. Let me see what you are doing. Balqis, share your screen with me, please. Let's do it together. In order to guide you, share your screen with me, please, Balqis. بلقيس.
مستر الحين داخلة بلقيس.
ماذا يعني ذلك؟ Okay, مريم share your screen please. Let's do together. سنقوم بحلها مع بعض. I'll tell you how to do. Just share your screen and I'll tell you what to do. مريم share your screen. Come on. I'll show you. I'll tell you what to do and how to do. Just share your screen and I'll guide you. Okay, show me your screen. Share your screen, Madim. Yeah, show me your screen. Start presenter means.
مستر أسوي سكرين.
سوي. اوكي ثريا دوت. انت اكثر واحده شجاعه فيهم اليوم. يلا. ويلكم. كتبتي ويلكم بس انت وريني الملف مالك نو زين. هذا الملف انت حافظاتها في الكمبيوتر. This is not. I told you to زين. save it .php. save it في فايل مرة ثانية. The others, please follow us. Follow, see what Thuraya is doing. After she wrote the HTML and everything, file, save as, Thuraya .php. .php. لا PHP. No, 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 no. P وليس B. PHP. Yes, yes, good. تحذيف في الديسكتوب. Okay, it's okay. Any place, any place. Okay. You see the name on top. You see the name. What is it? ثريا.php. You see the name here on top. أشر عليه بالفارة قبل ثريا.
نعم مستر.
Okay, no worries. Go to the URL I sent you. للرابط للصفحة اللي فيها الرابط. Yes, here. Good. No, not here. Yes, here. Browse. اختار ملف. Desktop. أنا فوق شوي. كان مرة. That one. خلاص. Yes. ثريا.php. Okay, ظهر. Upload. The file has yes, that's good. That's great. So Aisha, you are getting into 2 accounts. No worries. Good. So thank you, Thuraya. Thank you very much. Stop sharing, Thuraya. Stop sharing. Good. I'll share again with you the same scenario, but I'm gonna show you something new. Which is the usage of the PHP. What we did so far, what we see here, actually, when I test here, it shows me welcome to our application. But how we wrote this thing? We wrote it in HTML only. I'm gonna modify this content here. See what I'm doing. To the same file, murad.php. You worked in your file. I insist it has to be .php. See the PHP. See the extension. It has to, any name is okay, but the .php, it has to be the same. What we're going to do, we're going to say welcome first program PHP, something like that. To write that, it is the command to use, which is the echo. The command to use is the echo. Echo, in between 2 double quotations, we write whatever we want. I'm going to say first PHP, let's say program. PHP program. Good. But this PHP, to write it, this echo, it has to be declared as PHP. Before of it, I'm going to declare. What does mean declare? I say to the program, I'm using PHP. So I write the following tag. Greater than, question mark, PHP. Then I finish the usage of the PHP by closing the question mark less than. So I start the PHP, I type whatever I want in PHP, and I close the PHP. Modify your program, add in this part, please. Add this part, and file save as. I'm going to say Murad1, for example. Murad1.php. Save. Once you finish, tell me, please. Did you finish? Balqis, did you finish? Balqis, the question is to you. Did you finish? Thuraya, did you finish, Thuraya?
مستر الحين أسوي save as.
Okay, great. Balqis, are you with us or absent? Okay. Okay, did you finish writing this script, please? And saving it with your name .php, like here, like this. I'm writing my name .php. You write your name .php. Thuraya, let's test, but I don't understand. Thuraya, let's Balqis, I said just you create this file only. You just create this file. ما فيها ما تفهمين. Just follow the steps. And then after we're going to test this, and this is a web page. We are going to test it. So create the web page, and this is the first time we use the PHP. Here is. أي شرحتها أول مرة وحضرت عليها وأنا أشرح فيها. It is the same thing actually. The first time we use the PHP, we use the function echo, and the echo, it displays on screen. It writes on screen what comes in between quotations. We wrote here phrase in English, first PHP program. Whatever you want, it can be. And we start the PHP like this, and we end the PHP like this. So this is the first time we meet the PHP. So anytime we need the PHP, we start the PHP. We do our needed, and then after we close the PHP. Here in this example, the needed here, we are just displaying a message, which is echo. Just we are which the method responsible for that is the echo. That's it. That's it. No philosophy behind. Thuraya, share your screen, please. Again, let's test it together. Let them understand also what it has to be done. Show us how to upload again, please. I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm gonna stop sharing. Yes, now it's to you, Thuraya. Yes, great. The others follow, please. You have an error, Thuraya. You have an error. Let me see your file first. Let me see your file first. Thuraya 2. Let me see the Thuraya 2.
مستر كل مرة نحفظه.
Yeah, you have. Yeah, شفتي الخطأ اللي سويتيه ثريا؟ بعد الإيكو there is double quotation. There is no space after echo. After echo, before first. No, equal. Yes, there is no space there. There is no space. Double quotation. Double quotation. No. Yes. Okay, save now. Save. سيف اونلي سيف اونلي ما تغيري الاسم، خليه نفس الاسم. فايل سيف اونلي لان انا فقط عملنا تغيير. نو ثريا نو. ثريا انت مستخدمتها الملف ثريا قبل. ملف قديم هذا، ما نغير الملف القديم. اي شفتي ايش قال لك؟ قول له نو، تل نو. استخدمي ثريا 3 ثريا 3.php ثريا 3.php. Good. Let's go and upload this Thuraya 3.php now. Come back. Previous. Press the previous. بالأصفر تحت.
ما ظاهر معي.
Okay, no worries. Upload again. Yes. Upload. Great. Has been uploaded. Test تحت بالأخضر. Welcome web application. First PHP program. You see first PHP program?
No, Mr.
هذه مو في الظاهرة في الجملة. قريها في الجملة. نرجع للPHP. We come back. Great. We come back to the PHP file. Thank you very much. Stop presenting. Stop presenting, Thuraya. Stop your sharing. Great. I'm going to share with you my window also. Good. See, in order to avoid to make them into just in one line, I'm going to add a new line. I'm going to add a new line here to make this thing into new line. I'm going to add a break simply. I added this thing here. I added this new line. And I'm going to save. File save only. File save. ما راح أغير الملف. The same name. I'm going to upload now. Are you able to see? No. Your entire screen. Yes. You see the modification I did? This thing here only. I added a new line only here. Clear? Yes? Then file save.
Mr.
That's file save only. There is no file save as because I'm gonna update. I'm not gonna modify the file. Just file save now. Now only file save. It's the same name. It's the same file. I'm gonna upload it again. مرة ثانية. I come back here. Come back here. And here I have the previous. I click the previous. And I upload again. It's the murad1.php. Has been selected. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to test 2 lines. Welcome. This is in HTML and this is first PHP program. Do the same, please. Do the same. Add this thing. I'll stop sharing. You finished, everybody, please? You got something like this? You got something similar to my preview?
Mister,
Yes, tell me.
please send the link again.
Send of the application to test. Suad.
Yes, Mister. Yeah.
Okay. Here it is. Save it with you. Save the link with you. We're going to use it for usual. Even حتى في الاختبارات سنستخدمه نفسه. Come on, come on. It's very easy to do, please. Thuraya, you finished? You added this part?
Yes, Mister.
That's great. That's great. I'm going to add another PHP block. See here. See here. After this statement, I'm going to add another one, but using a different method, a different predefined method. I'm going to add another message to be displayed, but using the print method, not the echo. I'm going to say second message in PHP. See, I added this message here, this statement here. Add it, please. I'm gonna make file save, not file save as. Save only, save only, save only, save. Print second message in PHP. That's it. double quotations also. See, I'm gonna test. See, I'm gonna test first, and I'm gonna give you the time later on to test also. I'm gonna say previous. So upload. It's the same file I'm gonna choose. Here it is selected. I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna test. Welcome. PHP in program first. Second message. It's in the same line. I'm gonna add a new line. I'm gonna add a new line. How to do? How to do? In this print here at the beginning. Yes, I'm gonna add HTML BR. I added this one to make a new line. To make a new line. Save. Come back here. Then previous. Choose the file. Murad, the same one. Upload. Then I'm gonna test. Here is second message. So welcome in HTML. First in PHP using the echo. Second in PHP using print. Do it, please. Do it, please. Did you test? Did you test, please? Did you finish? Thuraya, you finished? Maryam, did you finish, Maryam?
No, mister. Wait.
Okay. Jahina, did you finish? When I ask you, reply, please.
No, mister.
Okay. Aisha, Balqis, Suad, Riham.
Mister. Mister.
Yes?
Mister.
Yes?
When open the test, you see the error.
Show me your screen. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop sharing. Share your screen.
Mister.
Yes, I'm hearing you. Tell me. Share your screen. Let me see.
Uh, مستر في كل مرة نسوي سيف از.
سيف بس لحد الحين سيف بس. سيف از لما نقول سيف از بخبركم، لكن الحين سيف بس، سيف بس. نختار نفس الملف نفس الاسم.
Mister,
يب.
how you touch the screen?
there will be present now. في زر اسمه present now بجنب 3 نقاط. انت مستخدم الموبايل ولا مستخدم present now؟
لا.
yes.
هذا
Okay.
3 نقاط.
Yes.
Okay. present now.
Your enter.
entire screen. yes. entire
Uh,
screen. yeah. entire screen. yes.
and what?
confirm. اضغطي على الزر، في زر ازرق يظهر، قول لها اوكي. اختاري الشاشه واضغطي اوكي. good. show me the error. show me the error now. خلاص good.
يلا.
You see, Mister?
okay. ego php. you have to close. no, wait. just wait. don't do anything. at the end, after that line, after the print, اقفل PHP. you close the PHP. you did not close the PHP. new line. yes, new line. close the PHP. question mark. no. question mark. delete. no. delete. yes, question mark now. question greater than. علامة greater than أكبر. no ما في space. no space.
What means Mister greater than? You write
لا.
greater.
يس تكتبي greater than، تكتبيها كالعلامة، علامة الأكبر، لا علامة المقارنة، مثل سويتيها الفوق في البي اتش بي بالأحمر ذيك، تسوي واحدة مثلها، لكن لا الجهة الثانية العكس. Yes, great. Save now. Save. Yes. The file name is suad.php. Upload it again. يلا upload it again. Go to the test platform, the test page. Let's test again. Come back. Choose. Yes. Upload. Test. No, you have an error. Let me see the file again. Show it to me, please. ارجع لي الملف. Come back to the file again. No, not here, not here. PHP. Not bad. Yes. Let me see. Just wait. There is no space. There is no space after echo. After echo, there is no space. Yes, there is no space there. No. Okay. Save now. Test again.
ايوه.
previous. No, previous. تحمل الملف مرة ثانية. previous. خليك هناك. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Come back to the test page. Okay, come back. Yes, previous تحت. previous. Upload again. Upload. Test. Just save that. Come back to the PHP file. Come back to the page, to the notepad. Let me see. Print وليس print. PRINT. Yes. Save now. Previous. Upload it, test. That's good. That's good. Second page. Come back البي ار وين كنت ليش ما ضفت البي ار انت؟ stop sharing سعاد خلاص stop sharing. After welcome before PHP. نور فوق شوي بعد الجملة السوداء. Yes, new line there, new line, and here you add new line, enter BR. تفتحي BR break new line بال HTML. You can. Yes.
HTML.
BR break. No B وليس P. close. خلاص save. Test again now. Great. Upload. Test. Very good. Stop sharing now. خلاص. That's good. That's great. Stop sharing now.
Wait, Mr.
Okay. Good. Let's have some font control and some effects on the text we type. I'm gonna create a new file. I'm gonna use the same script. I'm gonna share with you screen first. Here's the same screen. I'm gonna share it with you. So I'm gonna make a good effect actually. ما في حل يا أسلم. ما في حل. نتكلم. So I'm gonna add one tag. See what I'm typing now. The H1. Okay, it's an HTML tag. This H1 here. You see this one. It is to add a size. It is a size to say that this is a header in HTML. Okay, I'm gonna file save. I'm gonna test. You see the screen now, isn't it? Previous. I want to test the same file. We'll add one. Test. See the size now. See the size of the text. You see? I'm going to test again. But before I test, I'm going to modify the fully. Here, H1 with the welcome. I'm going to add H2 with the first program. See where I wrote the H2 after the double quotation. And I'm going to close it here before the double quotation. So see where I closed it before the double quotation. And I'm going to add, after the BR here, I'm going to add H3, the third size. And I'm going to close it here. Good. Let's test. I'm going to file save first. File save. Only save. No. I'm going to file save as. I'm going to make file save as to say that it is new program. File save as. And I'm going to change the name. We'll add 2. Okay. 2. It is 2 now. I'm going to choose the 2. This is the one. I'm going to test. Upload. Then test. Yes, size 1, size 2, size 3, different sizes. And this is the script. You see the screen, isn't it? You are seeing the screen or not? Change the name. You save
Yes,
to the
Mr. Why?
Yes,
why? What? You change the name when you save. So file save as now.
Why save as?
نحفظها بملف غير حتى ما يضيع شغلنا القديم، يكون شغل مختلف only فقط، حتى نعمل مقارنة بعدين. Just for reference only. There is no secret. Yeah, good question. There is no secret, but to follow and see some track later on. What did we do as steps؟ الخطوة الأولى، الخطوة الثانية. To see to make a comparison, no more no less. Save as حتى نغير الاسم. To change the name. Me, I change the name to Murad 2. You change to Murad to Thuraya 4. You Thuraya. Please do it. يلا, come on. Yes, great. Did you finish, please?
Yes, Mr.
Did you test and you got the same result, the same output like me?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
That's great. That's great. So let's continue. Let's continue. I'm going to modify this program now. See what I'm going to modify now. Instead of H2, I'm going to modify. I'm going to let, without modification, I'm going to add a new. I'm going to add a new statement and to compare. Echo. I'm going to say, hello, Fox. It's a phrase, hello, Fox, everybody. But I'm going to add it in between the paragraph tag in HTML, which is the P. See, I add the P. See where I opened it? I opened here and I close it here. Okay, this paragraph I'm going to test first. I'm going to test. I'm going to upload again. Previous upload. Made Murad. I did save only. Did not save as. Same file. Test. This is it. Hello, Fox. It's a new paragraph. Hello, Fox. I'm going to test again, but before I test, you see my screen or not? You're seeing only the notepad. I'm going to share the entire screen. You see this window? Here is the Hello Fox.
yes, Mr. You see.
That's good. That's good. So I'm going to make the modification to make the color of this text to be red. So inside this P, I'm going to add some attributes, mainly which is the style. In between double quotations, I'm going to say color, comma, I'm going to say red, semicolon. I added this thing. I added this thing to the P. I'm going to file save, only save, only save. I come back, previous, upload the file, the same Murad 2, upload, test. I have an error. I have an error. I have an error. That's good. That's good. Because inside the double quotation, I use single quotation here. I'm going to use single quotation, not double. Here, single quotation here. And I'm going to save again. Save. I test again. Previous. Choose the file. Murad 2. Upload. Test. Here it is in red. You see Hello Fox in red? You can see in red or not?
Yes, Mr.
Add this phrase, please. Add, make the modifications and file save. File save, please. Hurry up. And test. If you get an error, tell me. You got the output, please, or you got? Did you get any error? Did you finish, please? Yeah, great. I'm going to add another attribute to this P, the same P. I'm going to add another attribute now. Another attribute, see where I'm typing. See where, after the colon here, after the semicolon, sorry, after this semicolon, I'm going to add the size effect. I'm going to say font minus size. I'm going to say, give it, for example, 32 pixels or 32 points. I'm going to save, file save. File save only. I'm going to test again. So come back. Previous. Choose the program. Is the same. Upload. Test. See the size. It has been incremented. It's not the same. It's bigger. The size is much more bigger. Do it, please. Add this property only. This property only. Once you finish, please tell me. Once you finish, please tell me. Declare. Balqis, finish and show me a screen. I need to see your screen, Balqis. Balqis, you finished? If you finished, share your screen with me, please. You have to show me something like this interface, something like this one. إيه تفتح من الفون وتوريني الشاشة مال السكرين مال اللابتوب. No worries. ما فيش أي إشكالية. You got actually something like this. تحصلتي على نافذة مثل هذه أنت في الموبايل في الكمبيوتر؟ وصلتي لنفس النتيجة؟ هل وصلتي لنفس إذا وصلتي لنفس النتيجة ممتاز. That's it. خلاص ما يحتاج شيء ثاني. إذا واصل نفس النتيجة هذه الشاشة هذه. It's very okay. خلاص. إذا ما واصلت أعرضي شاشتك خلينا نشوف إيش الأخطاء اللي عندك.
Mr.
Yes.
مطاع.
وريني شاشتك ثريا. Let me just let me wait. I'll stop. Now you share ثريا. Now you share your screen. Let me see. Why it's not مطاع. ايكو 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 يا ثريا ارجعي هناك الملف سيبي هذا ايكو الاخيره الثالثه يس صلحيها ضيفي او لا احذفي احذفي سي ضيفي او في الاخير يس جود نو احذفي الاتش سيف test again test great very great very great good خلاص خلاص ثريا بلقيس مستر فتحت من فون اللاب مع وما فاهمه زين مستر بتفهمني ثريا بعد المحاضرة بعد المحاضرة we have the record and the video even the video you can follow the video from the beginning the video has everything you can follow the video from the beginning بلقيس good وهذه ما فاهم هذا الكلام ما يمشي ولما دخلتي معنا اللاب نحن we just started at that time no so you have no excuse okay let's keep going on let's keep going on I'm gonna stop I'm not sharing anything actually yeah what I'm gonna do now I'm gonna share my screen first this is the one did you started seeing my presentation my program is it visible yes or no
Yes, Mr. Yes.
good I'm gonna delete everything inside the body I deleted everything inside the body here it's empty I'm gonna save this file as new name I'm gonna change the name murad3.php new name and I'm gonna what we're going to do here we're going to use the PHP to declare sorry what is it declare variables we're going to utilize variables so see double forward slashes means we are going to write a command and the command is something it's a textual representation that the processor will not process will not see using variables it's a title but it's a title it's a sort of it's a kind of a title here it's a command it means we are given a title it's to declare what we are doing something like that explanation good we are going to use variables the variable in PHP I'm going to say for example in any for example in C++ when we type int a equal 5 we are declaring an initializer I'm going to represent this statement here in PHP we don't write int a we just declare the variable the placeholder I'm going to give the name a before of it dollar the placeholder in memory and it is to be initialized like so equal 5 very simple so we don't use the int we can use the int but not for now I'm not going to use this one this is in C++ in PHP here just I type dollar a is the name any name we choose then after we give an initial value to write it on screen I do echo here we use a space see I use the space here echo dollar a semicolon that's it so I declared a variable اسمها a I initialized it with the value 5, and I'm bringing it output the same variable name. I close the PHP. Here I open the PHP. File save, because I modified the name, no? I'm going to save only now. Save only. It's a new name. File, the new name, I saved it earlier. I test. Come back. Previous. Choose the file. It's 3. Upload. I'm going to test. 5. كتب لي 5. It's the same 5 I got here. It's the same 5 we initialized here. Do it, please. Do it, and let me see. You choose. You save your file as a new file. You save your file as a new file. .php. Please do it. يلا, hurry up. You finished? You finished, please, girls. هل أنهيتم?
Yes.
You got the same result. That's great. Riham, why she left? Great. See what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add other variables. New line here. New line here. I'm gonna declare the same a that equals null. Null. Semicolon. I declare the variable again with the new value اللي هي لا شيء, null, فاضية ما فيها شيء. And I'm gonna type it again. Print, now print space $a semicolon. I may use equal, I may use print, all is okay. So let's see the result now. File save, only save. I'm gonna test again. Back, previous, choose the file. Is the same file. Upload, test. It's 5 only. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. The null, nothing to display. Nothing to display. It's nothing. So it will not display anything. That's great. Do it, please. Do it, and you have to get the same result. Please do this one. You add those two. And test. The same file. Don't modify the name. It's the same file. I'll stop the sharing. And if you have any questions, you ask, please.
دكتور
Yes, عايشة.
دكتور أنا مسوي ملف واحد يعني عادي ولا لازم ثلاثة؟
ملف واحد للشغل الكل.
أها
هو
كله يعني
الشغل
انطلق. ها؟
جميل، لكن خلينا نشوف شاشتك قبل. شير يور سكرين حتى أتأكد.
يعني شغلة؟
وريني، لا وريني، عرضي شير يور سكرين، عرضي لي شاشتك، خلينا نشوف شاشتك
أوكي
حتى أقدر أقول لك نعم أو لا. عايشة، شير يور سكرين عايشة.
مستر
يس
دكتور
يس عايشة. عايشة، شير يور سكرين حتى أقدر أجاوبك، لازم أشوف يور سكرين.
دكتور
يس عايشة.
أم، ما عرفت أفتحها وين لأنه بإنجليزي مالي.
في واحدة من تحت، في بريزنت ناو. there is
الصوت مو واضح.
زر. حرك الفأرة تحت، يظهر لك شريط على اليمين فيه بريزنت ناو، فيه سهم.
أيوة أضغط على وش؟
تختاري منها يور انتاير سكرين الأولى، الخيار الأول انتاير سكرين.
دكتور علي صوتك شوي.
تختاري بريزنت ناو، ومن الخيارات تختاري يور انتاير سكرين. يور انتاير سكرين الخيار الأول بريزنت ناو.
ما شيء.
حصلتيها؟ لا اسف، حرك الفأرة.
أيوة
ولما تحرك الفأرة تظهر لك شريط من تحت أسفل الشاشة.
اللي فيه نقاط
هو
للخط.
بجنبها بالضبط، فيها سهم،
أها
تضغط
أها
عليه and
اسمها.
select present now. ثم
أيوة
تختار لك قائمة you choose your entire screen. your entire screen الخيار الأول.
أيوة
ومن هناك تختاري النافذة، تضغط على النافذة ثم الزر الأزرق.
أضغط وش شير.
yes yes.
ما طلع.
just لحظة، just wait. see I'm gonna share my screen and I'll
ما
show you how to
طلع.
do. لحظة، I'll show you how. you see my screen now.
الحين سوى.
شايفة شاشتي انت تو؟
أها
يظهر لك زر هات. يظهر لك زر هات، شايفاتها الزر هات؟
أيوة
تضغط عليه، يظهرك
أها
ثلاث خيارات، تختاري الخيار الأول.
أيوة اخترته.
بعدين تظهر لك نافذة فوق، تختاري الصورة وتضغطي على الزر الأزرق.
أنا ما ضغطت على الصورة. الحين طالع. طالع.
بيطلع. أي وريني الحين ليش مشكلتك تو؟ يس ظهر خلاص.
إنسان.
Okay, everything is running. Previous. خلاص شغال الشغل.
أيوة
What is the problem? What is the error?
يعني مسوي مقلد واحد.
وريني الفايل، وريني النوت
هذا
باد. وريني النوت باد.
نفس وضع.
وين الفاريبلز؟ وين الخمسة؟ الخمسة الشغل الأخير وين؟
أنا ما كملت.
جميل، الحين خلاص هذا تخليه ونمر للملف الثاني. الحين نمر للملف الثاني اللي هو هذا تخليه نحفظ ملف ثاني تو.
تمام.
وقف المشاركة وبعرض مرة ثانية، بشرح مرة ثانية. وقف المشاركة.
أوكي.
stop sharing. الغيها النافذة الصغيرة ذيك. اضغط كليك close this one. yes. Stop sharing. Good. See, now I'm going to share my screen. See here, follow me, everybody. I'm repeating. You delete everything
مستر
inside.
الصوت مستر الصوت ما واضح.
No, واضح الصوت. I'm perfectly closing the thing to you. I said you delete everything from inside and you write the following. They are two variables. هذا تكتبوا have. Only have. You save the name with different name. File save as. We change the name. You change the name. It is for me. It is Murad 3. You choose different one. We declare the variable 1. We display it, and we declare it. We give it another name, and we display it. That's it. When you save it with a different name, file save. In save as with different name, you change the name. Then you test. When you test, I have two things to display: الخمسة والnull. When I test, previous, choose the file, 3, upload, and test. خلاص, I have only the 5. Why? Because the null cannot be displayed. See what I'm going to do now. I'm going to give another value. A equal 10.5656, whatever. Semicolon. What is this? This is not an int. This is a float or double. This is a decimal value. I'm going to display it. Equal $A semicolon. I have a third. First, second, third. File save. Only save now. Only save. The same model 3. Come back. Previous. Choose. Murad 3. Upload. Test. 5 وحدها ثم بعدها 10 ظهرت. ال10 5 6 ظهرت والخمسة ظهرت. null it's not there. null لا شيء ما يظهر شيء. خلاص. Very good. Do it, please. Do it. You have to get the same output. I'll stop the video recording because I'm going to share with you the video now. I'm going to stop this video recording to here. I'm going to share it with you now.